This illustration now deals with the receptacles in basements. Now notice we're moving on now through requirements for receptacles in accordance with 210.52. Now notice in that basement that those receptacle outlets have to be GFCI protected. And we're supplying, maybe a deep freeze, maybe we're supplying a washing machine, but they must be GFCI protected in accordance with 210.8A5. And then notice one other rule. At the very top, it stated at least one readily accessible 15 or 20 amp 120 volt receptacle outlet as is required in an unfinished basement in accordance with 210.52G and shall be GFCI protected along with 210.8A5. And then notice if we should have a cord and plug connected motor for a submergible pump, or for a pump to pump water out of the basement in case water leakage occurred, it too would be GFCI protected by 210.8A5 because it's cord and plug connected. You hardwire it, then you get into a hardwire requirement there, see. Now notice the luminaire is in 210.7A, figure 17-14, and would be in a different area of the code to get its requirements. It'd be in 210.70A, and it wouldn't be in 210.52G as we're reviewing here. So figure 10-18 is addressing the requirements for receptacles located in basements in accordance with 210.52G, and GFCI protected were required in 210.8A5.